Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Cake palette by Glamlite. Glamlite is the company that brought you the pizza palette. I have the pizza palette as well. I love it immensely. The Cake palette is right here. It retails for, I think, around $40. I'll leave that information below. I got it on a discount. I didn't pay full price. I am a freelance artist, so I always look for sales. I probably never buy makeup full price, but I will say that this is worth the price. I'm going to show you how it performs, and I'm actually going to do some swatches and then show you how it performs. So, first of all, it comes in this little oven. How adorable is that? Super cute oven, and you open up the oven, and inside the oven is a cake. Oh my god. So the cake comes out of the oven. Oh, and show you the back. It comes with the colors and all the information. It is cruelty-free and vegan. I think that some of these are pigments based on the ingredients. I think some of these are pressed pigments. Of course, if you have an issue with pigments, you know, just try it and do some tests first. Anyway, here's all the nutrition facts on the back. Open it up. It has this amazing mirror and a protector. And you can fold the mirror back. And here are all the colors. And let's go ahead and swatch. So the first color here is a shimmery yellow called Banana. And then the next color is Pineapple. I got a little too much. As you can see, they're really highly pigmented, so a little goes a long way. You don't actually have to dig in like I accidentally did right there. Here's Strawberry, which is a pinkish purple shimmer here. It's so pretty. Then we have Lavender, which is a lavender shimmer. Then we have this beautiful blueberry color here, which is a purpley blue shimmer. That is so pretty. And then we have Guava, which is a pink, yellow reflect here. And then we have Peach, which is almost a neon peachy orange color there. It's coming across a little redder, but it is sort of a neon bright orange. Then we have Cranberry, which is sort of a magenta. Then we have Ube, which is this lavender purple. It's a pastel-y light purple. It's very pretty. Actually, I swatched it twice to show how it builds. It does have a lot of pigment, but it can be more pastel-y too. Purple Frost here, which is a nice reddish purple. Then we have Carrot, which is an orange shimmer, which is really cool. I don't think I've ever had an orange shimmer in another palette of mine. Then we have Raspberry, which is a hot pink. I accidentally got a little too much on that one too, but so pretty. These are very, very highly pigmented, so I'm not used to getting so much color payoff right away. So I'll have to be a little more careful. There's Red Velvet here. Then there's a Birthday Cake, this blue one. Whoa. And then there's Icy Mint, which is more of a light blue, maybe with a hint of green. Then there's Dulce de Leche, which is this caramel color. Then we've got Cinnamon, which is this beautiful gold foil. It's like a caramel foil almost. Then we have blue raspberry. And then we have key lime here. So these are all the colors swatched, and as you can see, they're super vibrant, super pigmented. A little goes a long way, but as you will see, they are very easy to work with. So you don't have to worry about, you know, having too dark overpigmentation. They are easy to apply and blend, and I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, so I'm going to go for a pinky yellow look. So the very first thing I'm going to do is go into this pineapple color. And I have to say, I love this big mirror here on this side. So easy. I forgot to tap off my brush. So far there's a teeny tiny bit of kick up in the pan. Not too much. There's a little bit of powder when you tap the brush, but it's actually not too bad. And what I find more important is there's no fallout. Fallout is when it comes out on your face, it falls on your cheeks, and then it messes up the rest of your makeup. A lot of shadows do kick up dust in the pan when you pick it up, but it doesn't bother me as long as it doesn't fall all over my face. Okay, and that is definitely a nice citrusy, pineapple-y color. And what I'm going to do is go into this cranberry. And I'm going to go into the crease and out to the corner with that. I'm going to take a clean, fluffy brush and blend those two colors. Now I want to deepen out the edge a little bit more, so I'm actually going to go into this red velvet. And I actually want to, now that I'm looking at it, I want to put more cranberry in the crease there. And I actually want to bring it up a little bit more. Okay, and I'm going to blend those colors together. My cat's back here playing. Onyx, say hi. Wow. Onyx, say hi. Good boy. Okay, now I really want to try this guava all over the lid. And I'm gonna also try playing it with my finger. I'm going to try putting cinnamon on the inner corner. You know, the way I applied that, I ended up getting a little bit of fallout, but that was my own fault for applying it, for the way that I applied it with my finger. Okay, and I'm actually going to stamp the color chocolate on the lower lash. I'm just going to do it very, very lightly today. And then I'm going to go into Dulce de Leche for the more inner portion. Here I am with the finished look with liner, lashes, and mascara. And I have to say I absolutely adore this cake palette. I love Glamlite. I have a bunch of their other palettes as well. It's an indie brand, cruelty-free and vegan. It's you know, highly pigmented, very, very blendable. The colors blend together. Not a lot of fallout. There's just, you know, it's super cute as well. So I have nothing but good things to say about this company. I love this cake palette and I love all their other palettes as well. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.